Hello students, in this video we will discuss combination of capacitances in parallel. Let three capacitors with capacitances C1, C2 and C3 are connected in parallel across a battery of potential V. In parallel combination of capacitances, the potential drop across each capacitor is same and equal to the potential applied by the source. However, the total charge Q supplied by the source is divided among the three capacitors in direct proportion to their capacitances as Q1, Q2 and Q3. Thus, higher is the capacitance of a capacitor, greater is the charge stored on its plates and vice versa. Thus, the total charge Q supplied by the source is equal to the sum of the charges on the plates of the three capacitors. Or in other words, we can write total charge Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. If C equivalent is the equivalent capacitance in parallel combination of capacitances, then the total charge Q supplied by the source is given by Q is equal to C equivalent into V. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we can substitute Q as C equivalent into V, Q1 as C1V plus Q2 as C2V plus Q3 as C3V. So our equation takes the following form: C equivalent V is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V, which can be further written as C equivalent is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Hence, in parallel combination of capacitances, the equivalent capacitance is equal to the sum of capacitances. To determine the magnitude of charge Q1 on plates of capacitor with capacitance C1, we multiply the potential drop across the capacitor with its capacitance C1. So we get Q1 is equal to C1 into V. Now from equation 2, V can be written as Q upon C equivalent. So substituting the value of V, we get the charge Q1 on capacitor with capacitance C1 as Q1 is equal to V into C1. So from equation 2, V is Q upon C equivalent. So it becomes Q upon C equivalent into C1. Similarly, the charge Q2 on capacitor with capacitance C2 will be given as Q2 equal to C2 into V. So from equation 2, V is equal to Q upon C equivalent. So substituting it, we get Q2 equal to C2 into Q upon C equivalent. So Q2 becomes C2 into Q upon C equivalent. Similarly, the charge Q3 on capacitor with capacitance C3 will be Q3 into C3V. So from equation 2, V is equal to Q upon C equivalent. So substituting, we get Q3 equal to C3Q upon C equivalent.